This question came in GATE Computer Science 2016. So we will solve this question. The width of physical address on a machine is 40 bits. So a machine has a physical address with 40 bits. So physical address width is 40 bits. Now the next information which is given in the question is the width of tag field in 512 KB 8-way set associative cache is blank width. So width of tag fields we have to find, and the cache is set associative cache. So in set associative cache we logically divide the address into three fields. One field is tag, and one field is number of sets, and one field is offset. So we have to find tag field, bits in the tag field. So to find bits in the tag field we need to find number of sets and offset. So it is given that uh, 512 KB and 8-way set associative cache. So the let's assume that size of offset, this offset bits is x. Size of offset bits is x bits. So if the size of offset bits is at x bits, then block size will be 2 power x, 2 power x bytes, 2 power x bytes. If block size is 2 power x bytes and size of cache is 512 KB, 512 KB is nothing but 2 power 19 bytes. So size of cache is 2 power 19 bytes and one block size is 2 power x bytes. Then we can find number of blocks. So number of blocks in the cache will be size of cache divided by block size. What is size of cache? 2 power 19 bytes. 2 power 19 bytes. It is given 2 power 19 bytes divided by block size is 2 power x bytes. So we have the block size. Block size is nothing but 2 power 19 minus x. 2 power 19 minus x. This is number of blocks. Now we can find number of sets. Number of sets will be number of sets will be number of blocks, which is 2 power 19 minus x. 2 power 19 minus x divided by associativity of cache. It is given that cache is 8-way set associative. So 2 power 19 divided by 8. So number of sets will be 2 power 19 divided by x minus 8, which is 2 power 16 minus x. So number of sets is 2 power 16 minus x. So the bits required to represent this number of sets will be 16 minus x. So number of bits required to represent these sets is 16 minus x, which is 16 minus x bits. So tag fields we have to calculate. Let's assume that number of bits required to represent this tag field is y bits. So total y plus 16 minus x plus x should be equal to 40. So y plus 16 minus x, which is bits required to represent number of sets, plus x should be equal to 40. Should be equal to 40. So this x and x got cancelled. So y is nothing but 40 minus 16, which is 24. So we need 24 bits to represent tag field. So answer is 24. 24.